Okay, I'm going to give a quick guide to Jenny's photo editing through the system. Um, so I'm just gonna go into one of these that already has content in it so that I have that. So as Dusty said, he fixed the part now where you go to insert and it inserts it in a weird place. So let's just insert this image here. So I'm gonna go in, going to select any old image and press insert into content. Okay, it's very big. So ways that we can resize it while constraining proportions are to click on it um, and move it like this. It stays proportion constrained in that manner. Also, if you have not already changed it, so I'm going to go to Control Z. If you have not clicked and dragged it and you click on here and you go to change size, there's no width or height put in here. So it's not, it has not been set yet. If you only set one size, it will constrain the proportion of the other. So for an example, let's say I want this to be 350 pixels wide. If I click update, it's constrained the proportions now. And if I click on here, it hasn't set the height. It's only setting the width, which automatically sets the height. The only way for it to contort the image is then if you put in, a height of 600 or something that we know is not right, then it makes it strange. So Control Z there. So I can change, so long as I'm only changing one of them, I can change this to whatever I need it to be, and it will keep the proportions constrained. And then just wanted to make sure that when you click on the image, you have all of these options. So the alignment is basically no alignment, to align left or to align right. And then once you're in here, you have the option, and this maybe it wasn't such a great one because there's not a lot of content to see around it, so it's wrapping these other images around it. But when you click on display, that's where you can decide if you want it inline, which means the text and other elements on the page will wrap around it. Or you can break the text, which means the text will appear above and below and never appear alongside. So you can delete it. You can create a link to it, just like with any of our other link items. And you can also put in your alt text here if you have forgotten to do that in the other screen. And then you have these two options. You can make it rounded, which most people don't do this part, but if you so choose, you can round it and put a border. And I think this is, once we get the captions ready, which is on Dusty's to-do list, I think this is also where the caption option will appear, and probably under this information button. So hopefully that helps with managing the images within the content.